Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have what matters: sticky notes, a straight edge, scissors, and tape. First, flatten the pad and remove 1-2 sheets to test. Once done, measure and mark the cut lines at 1/2 to 3/4 inch intervals so you get consistent shapes. This matters because uneven edges affect adhesion. Make the first precision cut slowly. Why? Because a clean edge prevents lifting. After that initial slice, align the ruler and continue with short, controlled snips to keep straight lines. Now refine the pieces, trim any burrs and square the corners so they look professional. Next, apply a thin strip of double-sided tape or 2 small glue dots near the top edge. This replaces factory adhesive and adds hold. Once applied, position the note on your surface and press from the center outward. This pushes out trapped air and ensures full contact. Make sure to leave the lower edge free so you can peel later. If you need repositioning, lift gently and reseat within 5-10 seconds. Finish by testing a single note. Stick it, peel it, and verify it lifts cleanly. If it peels off too easily, add another thin tape strip or use a glue dot. If it's too sticky, trim a sliver of adhesive away. Make sure the surface is dry and free of oil because contaminants cause failure. Store any unused modified notes flat and out of humidity to keep adhesion. Troubleshooting tip: if notes curl, press under a heavy book for 30 minutes and retry. This flattens and reactivates the bond.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.